You work hard. You show up every day, meet deadlines, and maybe even stay a little late. But when payday hits, it still feels like it's not enough. What if you didn't need a new job to make more money? First up, understand the leaks. Before you boost your income, you need to stop the leaks. Most people think they need a raise, but often the problem isn't income, it's outflow. Start by doing a spending audit. For 1 month, track everything. If you see an expense that you don't remember or don't need, get rid of it. See bank fees? Switch to a no-fee account. Impulse spending? Try the 24-hour rule. If you still want it tomorrow, then consider buying. Cutting waste is the fastest way to give yourself a raise, without asking your boss for a single cent. Step 2. Get paid for what you already do. You might be leaving money on the table, literally. If your job includes travel, training, or supplies, check if you're owed reimbursements. Have a long commute? Listen to audiobooks and resell the insights as blog posts or short-form videos. Got downtime at work? Some companies allow small personal tasks on breaks. Use that time for micro-tasks like surveys, user testing, or even transcription. It's not about working more. It's about making your time work for you. Next, skill up, level up. The easiest income boost at your current job? Become more valuable. Learn the next level skill your role demands. If you're in admin, learn project management. If you're in customer service, get trained in analytics or communication tools. There are free courses everywhere. LinkedIn Learning, Coursera, Khan Academy, even YouTube. Once you've got the skills, document your wins. Saved time, improved processes, happier customers. Then, bring it to your manager. Don't just ask for a raise. Earn one with proof. Step 4. Turn a hobby into a side stream. Think outside the 9 to 5. Do you love drawing, writing, editing, gaming, organising, or baking? Those hobbies can become income streams. Sell templates online. Start a blog. Offer a small service on Fiverr. Build a print-on-demand shop. Even 1 to 2 hours a week can turn your passion into pocket money. And sometimes a whole business. Remember, you don't need to quit your job to start something new. You just need to start. And finally, leverage your commute and downtime. Ever thought about turning your daily commute or downtime into cash flow? If you take the train or bus to work, that's potentially 30 minutes to an hour each way, prime time to boost your income. Try microtasks on platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk, answer surveys on Swagbucks, or even build your own Etsy shop or content plan. These short bursts of time may not feel like much, but stacked over weeks, they can build momentum. And if you're driving, consider listening to finance or business podcasts to sharpen your money mindset. Passive learning today becomes active earning tomorrow. More income doesn't always mean more hours. It just means more intention. Cut the waste, use your downtime, grow your skills, and tap into what you already love. Because boosting your income doesn't start with leaving your job. It starts with changing how you use it. Boosting your income isn't just for today. Your boosted income will go to waste if you don't know how to plan for you for tomorrow. If you don't know what your life after work will look like, check out this video here. If you are watching this video shortly after it has been released, your next video will be ready in 3 days.